Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Monique and today we are going to talk about OmniStudio basics, what is, why it's important, and how you can start using it. Um, I don't know if you work with Salesforce or not, but you need to know that OmniStudio is a powerful way to build solutions without coding. Uh, it is a game changer, and let's get started. But before continue, um, if you contact me for any doubts, or you may just want to talk about OmniStudio or Salesforce or path career, you can contact me using your mobile. You just need to read the QR code, and you will find um, some ways to contact me. So, what is OmniStudio? OmniStudio is a low-code development inside Salesforce. It's a tool inside Salesforce that you can build using DataRaptors, integration procedures, OmniScripts, FlexCards. So you can find 4 main building blocks, and they are it is DataRaptors, integration procedures, OmniScripts, and FlexCards. You also can use Apex, LWC, CSS, and HTML to custom some. Maybe you can find uh, that you can develop using the standard components. So you can custom using Apex, LWC, and CSS and HTML. DataRaptor, it's like a mini database that you can fetch, transform, and save data in Salesforce. So integration procedures are like a way to connect and process the data from multiple data sources, and it helps Salesforce to communicate with external systems. Both the DataRaptor and the integration procedures are used in the backend. For the front end, we have OmniScripts and FlexCards. OmniScripts is like you can think about it like a stream flow. Uh, it's an interactive, guided workflow that help users complete process step by step, filling out a form or submitting a request. FlexCards, it's a UI component and display information in a dynamic way. You can think about FlexCard like widgets that you can see about account details, case status, or customer information. Everything you want to see, like in a card, is the way that you can do it. Um, so about Apex and LWC, as I said before, when you find a scenario that you can use custom, all these 4 blocks helps you to build applications really quickly and efficiently without reading Apex or LWC, but you can code using these tools to solve more complex issues. You can also use CSS and HTML to custom the FlexCard and the OmniScripts. You can use to do some custom that you can do using the standard components of the OmniStudio. Let's see. About this kind of tools, they are components that we usually say that is like drag and drop. So you don't need to code everything from scratch. You have components and you drag and drop to the screen. So it's really a easier way to create solutions faster and easier. For example, imagine a customer wants to apply for a loan on a bank's website. With OmniStudio, you can create like a form, a simple step-by-step form that will collect their information, validates the data, and submits the request, all with without writing any code. So this is basically how is these tools for about OmniStudio. I'm going to telling you more in the next slides. So DataRaptors. About DataRaptors, we have 4 kinds of DataRaptors. We have the extract one that retrieves data from Salesforce. We have the load that saves data into Salesforce, so you can create and update data. You can use the transform to modify data before sending or after retrieving it. The turbo extract and the turbo is a faster way. You can use only one object in this one, and in the extract you can use a lot of other objects, but the turbo is just for one because it's more simple. About the functions and the features, you can mapping fields, so you can mapping fields between Salesforce objects and the OmniStudio components. You can use formulas to manipulate data, for example, concatenation, calculations. You can filtering and searching data in the DataRaptor extract. You can debugging DataRaptors using previews and errors logs. About the best practice, minimize the number of extracts to reduce API calls. It's like a way to minimize because you need to pay attention. If you really need a new one, or you can use an existing one. Users to extract when you don't need transformation. So when you don't need to use formulas because it's not possible using turbo extract, you can use formulas only in the extract one. Keep a mapping simple and efficient to improve performance. My tip is try not to write the mapping. Use the scope and the path to avoid mistakes, because a little simple mistake and you will not be able to use the component as you want to. Let's see. Let's demonstrate. I want to show you what you will see when you open your environment to stud. So just let me close this here. So here, this is an example of DataRaptor or DataMapper that is used to create a case. So you have the object. You can use more than one. You can use formulas, and here is where you are going to mapping your fields. This part here, as you can see, is what you are going to receive of an integration procedure, or maybe of the OmniScript, and this is the domain object field that will receive what you are mapping. So in this case, it's creating a case. So there is not too many things in here. I'm not going to say a lot because I want to show you in the practicing it, and so it's just a simple demonstrate to show you how it looks. This is the DataRaptor or DataMapper struct. So here you can use a lot of objects, as I said. You can use formulas, and here is the output path. So here is like the output JSON path. That this is the way I'm going to see it on my preview, and this is what I want to extract. So it's the account number. I'm going to see if I can see something in here. There we go. See? I'm not going to say anything more, just to see how it looks. This is the transform one. In the transform one, we receive information transform for JSON. So as you can see, we can use formulas. Here is the part where we transform the information, and just let me open here to show you. It looks like in the others one, but that is a small difference. Options and preview. So here I am transforming this information to use on my FlexCard. I guess I have a simple FlexCard that I'm going to show you later. And this is the turbo extract, and as I said, you can only use one object. You can't use formulas, and this is how it looks. See, that's it. Now we are going to talk about integration procedures. So integration procedures is the way to connect Salesforce with external systems. You can process large amounts of data and run multiple actions, and using only one request to improve the performance. The purpose about using integration procedures. So it processes large amounts of data, as I said. Connect Salesforce with external systems via API. Can run multiple actions in only one request, which is batch processing. You have a lot of actions, but the main actions in integration procedures are the DataRaptors, extract, load, transform. Also, you can get and send data. You can call external APIs using the HTTP action. You can use the loop blocks. The loop blocks is the way to iterate over multiple records. You have a decision block that creates a logic to handle different scenarios. Performance chips. You can use caching to produce API calls. Stateless, which means you need to keep integration procedures stateless when possible. Nested actions. Avoid using too many nested actions as they slow the performance of the integration procedure. And that's it. Let me show you how it looks. And here we go. This is an integration procedure, and as you see, we have groups, we have actions, and there is a lot of stuff in here that you can use to create your components without coding. Let me see. In this example, we are using only a DataRaptor structure action, and I am mapping here how I'm going to receive and send to the DataRaptor the ID that I want to use in here. And here in the response action, I will show in the screen the results. So I'm going just to execute in here to show you. Well, I didn't receive anything here, and I have no idea why. Account ID. Okay, there is no information for account. Maybe if I use a new one. Sorry guys. I'm just using the sample that I received when I required this environment. I can maybe find in here in another IG to see if it will works. Just let's check. Como dizia o Faustão, quem sabe faz ao vivo. Oh yeah. Vamos ver. There you go. Maybe the ID used wasn't for existing account in here. That's it. Let's go to talk about FlexCards. So guys, talking about the FlexCards, as I said, FlexCards are UI components that display dynamic information, and they present data visually, like account details, case details, or customer information. The main features are that they display dynamic data in Salesforce, and you can use JSON data source to fetch information. Has multiple states: default, active, error. The elements in a FlexCards, you have fields, you have the fields to show like records, text numbers, etc. You can use actions that you can like add buttons for navigation or data updates or API calls. You have charts to visualize data in different formats, and you have repeater blocks that display lists of records dynamically. Of course, you have a lot of other things inside FlexCard, but it's just a general view. The best practice is use condition-based styling for a better UI. You can optimize data refresh to avoid unnecessary calls. Clean and simple. Keep the layout clean and simple for better usability. And cache. We have a big issue about cache. My advice for you is always keep your cache empty. Try to empty it every time you do a new adjusted, because it is a big issue to deal with cache in FlexCards. I'm going to show you how it looks. So let me see where I put it. Here, FlexCard. This is an example of a FlexCard, a simple FlexCard for weather. So in this state here, they are like sending an alert because it's having a heavy snow. So the customer will see this card in here, and the other condition is this one, that is the standard one. Here we can see the fields we have in here, like the data we are using to fetch this flex card. We have like the actions to display a lot of actions, and we have the inputs. So here is the kind of inputs we have a standard input for you to use. In properties, if you click on some component in here, you can see the properties of this component. As you see in here, there is a lot of properties, a lot of configurations that you can do. The style, where you custom the colors, the font, the everything you need about the style of the flex card. In setup, we can see the general information about the flex card. So we have name, title, author, description, OmniScripts support, and a lot of other information to use in here. This is the way we are fetching this flex card, inputting the record ID, which is the account ID, and that's it. The preview. In the preview, we are going to see how it looks. It's compiling the LWC. FlexCard is built in LWC. It's taking a while, but there we go. This is how it will look inside a Lightning page. Now we are going to talk about OmniScripts. OmniScripts are interactive step-by-step workflows. Think about OmniScripts like a screen flow that guide users through process. You can filling out a form, you can submitting a request. We have the main components. There is a lot of components, but the main are the step. The step is the screen or the page that the user will see. We have the block that uses it to group fields together. We have elements like fields, buttons, or inputs. We have the actions. The actions, it is like DataRaptors, integration procedures, or APIs. The common features is that use conditional logic for dynamic steps. You can profiling, so you can profiling fields using Salesforce data. errors and validations. You can handling errors and validations inside the OmniScript. About DataRaptors, integration procedures, LWC, Apex, class, and OmniScript child. You can call everyone or all of these you can have inside the OmniScript. You can use including OmniScript child. For example, you have a process and another OmniScript, and it's the exactly process that you need inside another OmniScript. So you can reuse this OmniScript as a child one inside of the main OmniScript that you are building. About the optimization chips, well, modular. My tip is keep OmniScript modular to reuse the steps. Conditional rendering. About this, use conditional rendering like to produce unnecessary API calls, and it's for better performance. And preload data with DataRaptor extract. It's also for a better performance. And I'm going to show you how it looks. And there we go. This is the face of the OmniScript. As you can see, there is a lot of OmniScripts in here that you can use as child. We have the inputs, we have the groups, we have functions, we have display, line break, text block, we have actions, and in the setup there is a lot of things in here. You can also edit the JSON. Some of the adjusted sometimes I need to do in here, and it's for some issues. Here I am using an integration procedure that you'll get the account information, and here I have my step that it will be filled with the information I am extracting in here. And here I am having another integration procedure, but this one will be used to save the data that I am inputting here. And here I have a navigation action that will replace the page to the account that I am doing this adjust. So I'm going to the preview. Oh, as I told you before in the FlexCards, for OmniScripts we also have the properties for every component. So I just need to click on the component and properties, and as you see, we have a lot of other setups in here and configurations you can do in the preview. Okay, I need to create a new version. This is I don't know what happens, but I guess that maybe the LWC wasn't compiled. There we go. Let me just check if I have the ID here. There we go. I have the name, the phone, and the website. And if I change in here, it will save because I have the integration procedure to save. So here we have the request data. To that first integration procedure be solved, And here I have the response with the information of the account that I put there in the integration procedure before, and that is what I'm requiring there. So guys, this was the four main components of OmniStudio and tools of the OmniStudio. And now you might be wondering, like, why should I use OmniStudio? The three reasons I'm going to tell you is speed, because you don't need to write complex code, so development is much faster. Flexibility, you can create custom solutions for different industries like energy, healthcare, finance, and of course the user experience will help you design an interactive and user-friendly applications with simple drag and drop tools. And that's it. It's an incredible tool, and I really love what I do for a living as my job. How to get started? I'm going to tell you that you need to explore Trailhead. Salesforce has free training modules where you can practice with hands-on exercise. You can try a demo project, requesting a dev org, study environment, and start by creating a simple FlexCards and OmniScripts to see how they work. And of course, you can watch tutorials like this one, and I will be making videos to guide you step by step and sharing my knowledge, and that maybe will help you in some way. Plus, you can contact me. I'm here for any question you have, and I will be really happy to help you. So to request the environment, I have two videos requesting an OmniStudio environment, requesting a Vlocity one. Links in description for you to help you, to guide you requesting these environments. And that's it. I hope that you like it. I know there is a lot of information, and I try to be the more simple as possible to help you, but there is a lot of things to say about OmniStudio and the tools, but I want to tell you more details when talking about a specific one. So I'm going to make new videos to talk just about DataRaptors, just to talk about integration procedures, about OmniScripts and FlexCards. And I hope you are enjoying my videos. I hope that maybe you are found this helpful. So please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments any doubt you have, if you have any advice for me, if you are enjoying my videos, or what else. I don't know, just tell me anything you want, and I will be happy to answer you. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!